Are you ready to uncover the secrets of a mystical mountain? This is gonna blow your mind. Mount Wayang, nestled near Pangalengan in West Java, hides secrets and mystical stories passed down for generations. Today we reveal 6 fascinating facts about this majestic twin volcano. First, on Tuesday and Friday nights, you might hear eerie Sunda Gamelan music echoing through the mountains. Locals believe it's an invisible Wayang Golek performance by ancestral spirits. Second, Mount Wayang boasts stunning views of vast tea plantations. Imagine standing atop the mountain, overlooking endless green fields. Third, the name Wayang comes from traditional puppets used in Javanese and Sundanese performances. A rock formation here even resembles one of these puppets. Fourth, the scenic route to Mount Wayang from Bandung is a 2.5-hour drive through picturesque landscapes. The journey is as beautiful as the destination. Fifth, don't miss the Wayang Windu Bridge, known as the Gate Above the Clouds. This 20-meter wooden bridge offers perfect photo opportunities. Finally, near Mount Wayang is the serene Situ Cisanti lake. This peaceful lake is a hidden gem, ideal for a tranquil escape. Mount Wayang is a place where nature, culture, and mystery intertwine. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories of Indonesia's hidden gems. The mountain's rich history and natural beauty make it a must-visit destination. The mystical sounds of Sunda Gamelan add an enchanting layer to the experience. Witnessing the sunrise from Mount Wayang is a breathtaking experience. The mountain is also home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Cultural festivities and traditional dances are often held, celebrating the rich heritage of the region. Mount Wayang is not just a mountain, it's a journey into the heart of West Java's culture and natural splendor. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the mystical Mount Wayang. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories of Indonesia's hidden gems.